Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to convert Word to PDF. First, open the MS Word on your computer. Then, open the file you want to convert to PDF. After that, go to the File tab located at the top left corner. Now, click on Save As in the drop-down menu. Then choose this PC to save the file on your computer. Now, enter the desired file name. After that, select the file type as PDF. Now click on Options to adjust the settings for your PDF file. Set the settings as shown on the screen. Then click OK to apply the settings. Navigate to your desktop and click on the Save button. Now your file is ready, and you can find it on your desktop. If you want to convert your file to PDF using an online tool, you can follow these steps. Open your web browser and search for I Love PDF. Now click on the I Love PDF website. From there, select the Word to PDF option. Then click on Select Word Files. Go to your desktop and choose the file you saved and convert it to PDF. Once you've selected the file, click Open. Now click on Convert to PDF. You will see that your file is being converted to PDF. Finally, click on Download PDF to save the converted file. Check your Downloads folder and you'll find the PDF file ready to be opened. Thanks for watching, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.